Hey all, good morning. So this is Prashun Shetty. So today I'm going to share my overall experience, right? Like my background and how did I got into the position called like in TagSkills as CEO. Okay, let me add entire experience, what I have gone through it, and which may help you all to adopt it immediately. Okay, and whatever I'm sharing, it's my point of view, like my experience. It's not like completely you should agree and just take it. Okay, whatever I'm saying, just you take it and accept if you want, or you can just ignore it. Okay, so let me share my screen and show you the journey what I started with my background of mechanical engineering. So I was a mechanical engineer like from education. So how did I start my journey? I will share the screen and I'll tell you with my walkthrough of my like experience, which will help you all to understand better instead of just I am going with the video option. So this is my entire journey. So if you see this uh, journey, right, you understand better instead of I go with each and everything's detailed way. Okay. Here I started with the quality engineer in the year 2011. MAG Sandhar. MAG was the organization managed by like it was into a manufacturing majorly into manufacturing of sheet metal fabrication activities, and they are supplier for a multiple organization, right? Managing with all spare parts and assembled items, right? So initially it was MAG, then later it was acquired by Sandhar and become MAG Sandhar. So I worked for 8 months in that company, and that was not SAP background. I wasn't. I was using other Excel sheet or ERP, which need to manage the entire activity of inwarding goods and inspection of that inward goods, assembly inspection, painting inspection. Then before we supply to the customer, last round of inspection. Okay, so I was into QC engineering role. I was managing very well, and but the pay scale was really not great. Then I decided to look for other organization. That time, one of my colleagues told that okay, you can try with this organization. They are looking for contract engineer role. So you just keep in mind, BL will call for contract engineer for 1 year, and they extend for 3 years if they are okay to continue the contract with you. Okay, so try for BL. If you are a non-SAP person in Bangalore, you apply for whenever the BL call for contract engineer position. So I learned most of the process over there, from the starting of the inward goods or raw material or maybe subcontracting, consignment. Lots of business process I had understood or got from the BEL organization. Okay, with experience of 2.5 years, I was managing SAP application. The application was handled by one of the big company, implemented in the year 2008, I think. After that, internally we had one team, IT team, who is taking care of any issues or user level problem. They used to handle it, and some changes also, if organization is looking for, they used to work on that. Okay, sometime if it is critical, then they used to take the support of third party. That's why SAP service, like wherever you see, like there are few organizations who are partnered with SAP, like educational partner, service partner, or implementation partner, like that, silver, gold, different partnership are there with SAP. Okay, if you are not aware about SAP partnership, you can go and check with all this in the Google. How I got my consulting role in entity data. It was a like journey was not easy for me to transition from a domain to a consulting side, but luckily I got an interview from entity data through Naukri only, not through any reference. Directly I got a call, and that time I was not aware about consulting. I took training from one of the institutes in Bangalore, but did not work out. I took for production planning module, PP module. I got some idea about what is user level, what is configuration, what is consulting, all that knowledge I got it, but I was not able to understand the consulting level in the PP module. Okay, then I got into entity data, that they have trained us very well in the material management module. That helped me a lot to know about one module from the starting to end. Okay, so if you are looking for any requirement, if you are looking for any learning on SAP side, right, I suggest you start with the core module or something easy module which you can learn quickly, and in that time you can try for a job, and you may get job easily. Okay, or else you look for a hot module, something which may take time for you to crack the interview, and in that period, right, you may get negative. Other than switching your job, you may continue with the same role, and you will never get into the better job role. Okay, I'm not influencing you all guys to leave your manufacturing side or maybe domain job you're doing today or process industry you're working. please work there, get experience. If you are really happy about your job role, or maybe the progress, or maybe the position you are getting, please stick to the same industry only. Don't get into IT industry by thinking, okay, everything goes well in IT. Okay, IT, again, the challenges are there, but the kind of maybe the income, or maybe the timing and all, right, maybe 5 days working compared to 6 days working in other organization. Okay, so it depends. It depends on the organization. Okay, so how did I get into the consulting? Like, this is my journey. Then later I got into multiple projects over there, in the sense, the aerospace project I handled, and I got into other module exposure also, like quality management issues, anything, or warehouse management, some small any issues are coming, something about PP also, right? So it's kind of a supporting, working on data migration. I worked for data migration project also. I worked with ABAP closely on working on, like, creating objects for data loading. So I got very good experience over there. But later I understood that, realized that I have to get some better package, right, in other organization. Yeah, definitely, everyone are looking for more income, so part when they live in a city where more, yeah, we have to spend little. So then I got Infosys. Definitely, I got Infosys, very good opportunity. I got a good project, and it was, yeah, I did well. And in Infosys time, yeah, I enjoyed campus and all in Bangalore. So if anyone would like to get into Infosys, I recommend get into Infosys, where you can balance your work and even other things, like you have a campus, then you can go for a gym, everything you can balance in inside only, and you stay near to electricity. Then I recommend you get into Infosys electricity campus. They have other area place also in Bangalore. And if you're from Mangalore, you can try for Infosys Mangalore. If you're in Mysore, I think for freshers they'll put in Mysore for training, then they will place in other places. Okay, so yeah, I heard somewhere, okay, Infosys not paying much package, but it's not true. Okay, I got very good package. What I was expected, but what I got is something really good. Okay, so it's all about the experience. They will check about your total experience, and kind of experience which I got from NT Data. It was really good. Because of that experience only, I got an offer from Infosys. So then later I got into, yeah, I got couple of offers from different organization. Even I got Big Four offer that time, but due to some reason, like I got married that time when I was searching for a job. So I decided to go to join Accenture, and it was different. It was experience something. I learned many things over there. Okay, other than the project and all, yeah, how to lead in some situations where challenges are coming, how to manage some other thing that than the job. Okay, like you will understand better when you get into a huge like more employees in the organization, and multiple projects are there, like how they will manage and all, right. You will see that in once you join the organization. So it's really good experience about what I got in Accenture. And I was looking for definitely Big Four company requirement, like job opportunity, and I joined Big Four company. And yeah, before I leave the organization, my role was manager. So yeah, from that, I see somewhere I was not able to my personal and working part, balancing is good. I will not say about balancing is difficult in Big Four, but due to some personal health issues and all, I was not able to concentrate. Then I thought of taking a break, and I left my full-time job. Then I decided to take the role as CEO in TagSkills to lead this organization very good, like into the next level, where the organization is looking someone who can take this in the right path. Okay, that's why I have taken decision of leading this organization as a CEO. And this was founded a couple of years back by idea, like what was the idea, like most of the, like I'm not saying like 70-80% of organizations are just working on module experience sharing or something on ERP, all that. But when it comes to job guaranteed kind of thing, right, clarity is not there. So how TagSkills can do that, right, in a very good way, where without giving like any false commitment, by saying about the reality and fact, how you can build your career, how much knowledge you can gain, how much exposure you should have, what experience will help you to become a consultant. How long it will take? It will take 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 15 months. So we'll set the targets to achieve, and within that time you definitely get an opportunity with the requirement the organization is looking for. And yeah, definitely lots of result happened with the TagSkills. So in next maybe video I'll be sharing more about success stories, and how the candidate joined with the background of what, how they upskill with the technology, and then how that technology upskilling helped that person to get into consultant role, or maybe master data management or user role, whatever role, right? Like the better salary, everyone are looking for better job, better salary, right? From a package of 3 to 4 lakhs to 5 6 lakhs, or 6 lakhs to 9 lakhs, or 9 lakhs to 12 lakhs, right? Or if they are looking something more package, then how to get such experience from a in-house experts, or maybe the industry expert who can give a enough knowledge and experience to handle the project, right? Imagine someone know about only a couple of modules, but they are not even aware about integration of this like EWM or MMSD or MMFI, right? Somewhere the gap between, or a gap with the experience what they got from an organization where their job is only to manage limited job. But when other organization they get into an interview, right, they would have got lots of questions which cannot be like no one is able to share such knowledge internally or with your connection. Then they are reaching out to TagSkills for sure. So TagSkills is why the name called TagSkills. Here we are adding a tag or tagging a skills to your profile. Example, you are feeling like I am like outdated now. Definitely, I will have to get one skill to my profile, but I'm a little confused what to do, how to do, which technology I can take, and which will help me to move with my career. Okay, so this confusion will be there, right? Example, you are already owning a phone, and you're planning for another phone, right? So you takes little time. That's just a electronic product you are going to buy. But when it comes to a career, right, definitely you have to decide very well. Okay, uh, good job, and yeah, good partner to get, it's not easy. Okay, you have to put good effort, and sometimes luck also matters, and with the consistent effort. It's not like once you get into the training or course something will happen automatically, something magical happen. It's not like that. So I suggest you all, or I advise you all, whenever you are looking for any opportunity in the market, or maybe the role you're getting something, someone calling you or asking, like I want the resource with one or two end-to-end implementation, then don't put your like resume with so many information of whatever, like you are not even knowing about it. So it will definitely make you more negative. So always you reach out to any coach or any expert working in any organization, or you can reach out me or anyone. So always you analyze your current situation, and if anyone would like to give time for your preparation, just sit back with them and take the guidance, and you apply for it. And yeah, no one can give you a regular consistent effort, like support or something to share everything. So you find such difficulties or situation where you need someone's effort completely, then you reach out us or reach out me, where we have a proper program, or maybe the process where we will be guiding you in a right way, and we will give you a right experience, where even after you joining an organization where you don't find difficulty to handle a regular activity, or maybe handling any requirement and delivery things on time, right? So if you put experience and just join other organization, there they may put lots of requirement, and delivery part is not going to happen on time. So you'll be under pressure, and you'll be getting salary that's different, but you are not able to take that kind of pressure. You may quit in between, then you'll be not even sure what to do further, right? You then go back to your previous domain or experience what you got it. Such scenarios are there, experience I've seen also. And if you're not comfortable with the IT sector, then don't try at all. If you are trying, try once, get into the organization, work for a couple of years, then you are okay to manage, and you can see the long term like career. Only your plan is only working in a company, then from a different domain to you can move to IT. From after some years you can take decision of starting your own firm or organization, or you can lead your own business, right? That you can plan accordingly. Okay, Thank you. So you can share this video with your friends, colleagues, or who are all there, who are all expecting something knowledge from my end. I can definitely share with you all. And if anyone moved out of India to other country doing MS or any higher studies, and you're looking some coaching on any particular ERP module or technology, you can reach out us. We will check whether we are able to arrange particular experts or industry experts who are all in India can assist you. Or if you find someone in there only, you can ask, or you can keep a session with me, and I will definitely tell them that what to do, how to do. They can also guide you offline. Okay, so I can definitely do a collaboration where I come and educate you here and there for 1 hour, 2 hour, or maybe weekly once. Then I'll come and check what is your progress and how you should prepare yourself, and then okay, they can deploy you for a particular role in an organization. So definitely I'm exploring a few countries job market, how really in Germany, in UK or USA or UAE, whichever country where people are moving from India to there. I want to understand why all are moving out of India and taking higher studies, and what how many got into that and got into job, or how they are living their life over there. So I will reach out couple of my connections or community who can share such experience with you all. Okay, and even coming Sunday 26th, I think 26th, yeah, that I'm going to talk to you all for 1 hour. You can ask any open questions, general question, if you have it with you. You can come up with any open questions, and I will try to invite all our alumni who are all working in different organizations. They can assist you how to upskill yourself to get into such role in future. Example, okay, someone changed from a master data management to a consultant role. So at least you are a non-SAP guy, a person who can get into a user level or a MDM role, or maybe analyst role, right? Such role you can try out in an organization where when you talk to people only, you understand what roles are available in that organization. Thank you all. Have a great day. See you soon.